Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Korean finger heart. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the index finger. Let's draw a curve up to the right and bring it back down like this. Now about halfway up on the right, let's draw a curve out and down. And then another finger in the same way. And one more smaller one. Now for the end, let's angle it back down. And let's lengthen the top line as well. Now from the bottom, let's curve it inwards. And close it off with a curve across. And that's it for the shape of the hand. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the thumb. On top of the index finger, let's draw a curve up and bring it back down. And that's it for the hand. Lastly, on top, let's draw a heart shape. And that's it for this cute finger heart. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!